In this video, you will learn how to add the Marquee widget to your Arreya presentation. To begin, log into your channel. In your dashboard, click the Content menu at the top of the page and then click Presentations. Click the green Edit icon on your existing presentation to launch the Arreya Creative Studio. On the top menu bar, click Widgets, then click Marquee. The top section shows a preview of how the widget will appear. Below the preview, you will find the widget settings. Insert your desired message into the text field. Use the direction drop-down to choose text animation direction. Use the speed slider to choose the animation speed. When you are finished with the widget settings, click the OK button to add the Marquee widget to your page. Drag the widget to move it, or use the bounding box to resize it. Click the purple brush icon below the widget to open the style settings. In the style settings, you have options for the transparency, borders, shadows, and more. When finished, click OK. If you want to adjust the widget settings after adding it to the page, click the purple gear icon below the widget to open the settings menu. If you need additional Marquee widgets, you can add additional widgets from the Widgets menu and repeat these steps. When you are finished, click the green Push Live button to update your presentation.